Racing competitions often take place in the automotive field, where the roaring engines provide a visual feast and also drive the advancement of car technology. In fact, the aviation industry also has similar racing competitions. Before World War II, there was a waterplane racing competition called the Schneider Cup, where the winner could not only receive a silver and bronze trophy, but also a considerable cash prize. Similar to the automotive industry, various aviation clubs or aircraft manufacturers were actively involved in racing competitions, aiming to gain money, honor, and showcase their technical capabilities. As a result, many specialized racing aircraft emerged. Today, we will introduce one of them, the Piaggio P.7 from Italy, also known as the Piaggio P.7. The P.7 was developed to participate in the 1929 Schneider Cup. It was a cantilever high-wing aircraft with a hull-like fuselage, slender overall, and the pilot's position located far back. When parked on water, half of the aircraft's body was submerged. The aircraft was powered by an 850 horsepower Isotta Fraschini V12 liquid-cooled piston engine, located in the fuselage section near the front edge of the wings. Due to the aircraft's length, it still required a long metal shaft to drive the variable pitch propeller at the front. This aircraft was equipped with a water propeller and directional control rudder, allowing the pilot to maneuver the aircraft like a small boat. What makes it special is the two small water wings located underneath the engine compartment, which could lift the nose of the aircraft out of the water once it reached a certain speed on the water. The pilot's reaction speed was crucial when flying the aircraft. Before starting the engine, they needed to disconnect the power link between the engine and the flight propeller, while adjusting the flight propeller to a straight pitch. Then, using the clutch to transfer power to the rear water propeller, the aircraft would suddenly accelerate like a speedboat. With the help of the front water wings, the nose would quickly rise, and then the pilot would need to immediately disconnect the clutch of the water propeller, operate another clutch to connect the flight propeller, and gradually adjust the blade angle to increase thrust until the aircraft took off. This sequence of actions would allow the aircraft to jumpstart like a race car, lifting the nose to reduce friction and quickly accelerate for takeoff. However, in reality, this required a test of human reflexes and could potentially lead to catastrophic results if not executed properly. This sudden burst of power also tested the mechanical strength, making it possible to twist or break the transmission shaft. To illustrate how difficult the P.7 was to fly, most of the expected competitors were reluctant to pilot this aircraft, indicating the complexity of its operation. Pilot Tommaso Del Molan conducted some water tests with the aircraft, but it never actually took off. The clutch operation was not smooth, and as a racing aircraft, it was too low during takeoff to be observed easily. As a result, the competing teams chose to fly other aircraft models, and the Piaggio P.7 was subsequently abandoned, with the construction of the second prototype also being terminated. The Piaggio P.7 Seaplane had an empty weight of about 1,400 kilograms, a length of approximately 8.6 meters, a height of 2.5 meters, a wingspan of 6.76 meters, a wing area of 9.83 square meters, and a single pilot. It was estimated to have a maximum flying speed of 600 kilometers per hour.